In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give Shopify store access to staff user permissions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new staff member, choose the right access level, and send them an invitation to your store safely and correctly. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner of the screen for the settings option and click it. This is where all your store's main configuration tools live. Inside the settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Users. Then click on it. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your store. You'll now see a list of your existing users or staff. To add a new person, go to the top right corner of this list and click Add Users. This starts the process of inviting a new staff member to your store. Next, you'll be taken into that user's settings. The first thing you'll do is choose the user type. You can select an admin who can access both the Shopify admin and the point of sale system, or a point of sale user who can only access the POS app. Choose the option that best fits what this person needs to do. Giving someone full admin access is powerful, so only assign that to people who truly need it. In the Users card, click Add Users. A pop-up window will appear where you'll enter the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure this email is correct, because the invitation will be sent there and they'll need it to log in. Once you've entered the email and double-checked it, click Add Users at the bottom right of the pop-up. You'll also see an option to enable or disable two-step authentication for this user. Two-step authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from their phone or an app when they log in. Whenever possible, it's a good idea to keep this enabled to help protect your store. On the roles card, click Assign. A drop-down will appear with different role options such as Administrator, POS Administrator, App Developer, Online Store Editor, Customer Support, Merchandiser, Marketer, POS User Administrator, POS Full Permissions, POS Device Setup, or you can create a new custom role. Choose the role that matches the tasks this person will perform, so they only get the permissions they actually need. Once you've set everything up, go to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. Shopify will now send an invite to the email address you entered. All you have to do is wait for the staff member to open that email, accept the invitation, and set up their account. After that, they'll be able to log in with the exact permissions you just configured.